So we got a load assigned to us. We're going up to Kingspan here in Winchester, where we picked up before. We could, you know, back in beginning of February, where we couldn't get into the place because they wouldn't answer the gate, they wouldn't answer the phone, they wouldn't answer the CV, whatnot. So they sent me the load offer. I rejected it and told them why, that I had a tarp that I couldn't repair, and I would need all 3 tarps in order to do that load because of what comes out of there. They assigned me the load anyway, so I'm only putting 2 tarps on if that's all I got. So, you know, this load is going up to Michigan, St. John's, Michigan. So, you know, we'll do what we can, and if they don't let us off the property, if they won't give me the load, hey, I've done what I'm supposed to do. All right. So to get back up to Winchester, we're going to get back out onto I-66, take that westward back out to 81, then take 81 north up to Winchester.
Continue on I-81 north for 1.5 miles.
Alrighty. We're right around the corner from where we need to be. We'll be getting off here in just a moment. And we'll see if we can grab this load. It's nice when people learn how to drive. See, the guy won't even clean his windshield, his rear window off so we can see it properly. That's the dangerous kind of knucklehead you don't need on the road.
In a half mile, take exit 317 for US 11, Virginia 37 for Winchester, Stevenson.
Kingspan is basically right off my left shoulder on the other side of the highway.
Take exit 317.
So we see we can't grab this load. Take this on up to Michigan. All right. North, Kingspan, 200 Kingspan Way. Well, Winchester, Virginia. Instructions are for full tarps on this load. And I have six sets of the green guard, like exactly what's in front of us, except on a step deck. I informed dispatch, and I informed the shipper that I only had 2 tarps, and they said that was fine. So that's what I'm going to go with. Any damage which occurs, I am not responsible. Ready. So the winds have picked up. So I am going to head up to, was it a Flying J? I believe it was a Flying J. Up in Brook. Was short and light. I mean, we had four little pallets that was 6,500 pounds. I mean, here we have styrofoam front to back. You know, we're looking at 7,800 pounds. You know, 12 pallets of green styrofoam board. You know, standing all the way up. All right, come on, Werner. Pick a spot, Werner. All right, ready. Let's park out here so we don't have anybody ever get in front of us. Let's say it might be parking right here, but just straight shot right out. Let's take a look, see if anybody's in there, and nobody's home. All right. You know what? We can actually go around the block here and do a pull through, because I saw there's an extra truck missing, so we actually could do a pull through. And hopefully nobody sneaks in before us. Let's see here. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We got the extra room to maneuver. And look at this gravy we got going on here. Look at that. Sometimes you get a little lucky. Sometimes when you want to be lazy, it all works out for you. Alrighty. That should be good right there, I think. Okie dokie. So we are done for the day pretty much. Like I said, I'm going to throw a couple straps, you know, just adjust the front of it just a little bit. Okay, so we got ourselves, like I said, we're going to throw a couple straps. We're going to adjust them, the tarps as necessary, especially the front. And we will go from there.